Hey, what's up? So these are all cleaned out with brake clean and then shot with compressed air. Like I said, they're off race bike, so they're not nearly as dirty as an off-road, and really didn't have that much dirt in it. And it says too that you need to, it's recommended for a bullet tool for reinstallation, but really if you're slick about it, you could just push it together. Line up the holes. And it's all sealed up. So you're going to reinstall the 10 hex bolts. Bore you for the next couple minutes probably, but make sure the ones that are a little bit tapered go in the bottom 4, and the ones that aren't, the top 6. Here's where you'll fast forward probably a minute, but I'll show you anyways. Just tighten everything in a crisscross pattern, always. Really make sure you don't strip these when you're taking them off. So they're on there usually pretty tight. And it's not something that you're going to want to tap and drill if you do strip one. Get them all snug down, and then go around again. Somewhat of a crisscross pattern, and give them a final twist. Oops, sorry about that. And go all the way around it one more time. Make sure you got all 10 tight. Forgot that one. Give a quick wipe down here. And now they're going to take the 2 back bleeder, or no, one of the back bleeders off. And here's where a couple people said different things. I put the damper all the way to one side, Oh, sorry. You did take them both off. Correction, take them both off. And put the damper all the way to one side. So grab a syringe and fill up syringe with the three-weight oil. And hold the damper on its side and fill the oil from the bottom until it comes out the top. Yeah. Anyway, you can see, might want to wear glasses sometimes. Oil sort of squirts everywhere. Put some more. And the third one should hopefully get it filled here. So oil's coming out the top, and you're going to keep pressure on the bottom and reinstall the top screw. And then you're going to reinstall the bottom. Make sure they're both tight. And you're going to work the damper side to side a few times to get the air bubbles out. After you move the damper side to side a few times, we're going to take one of the bleeder nipples out and top it up a little. Sorry, excuse my hand. So we're going to leave the damper all the way to this side and take this nipple off, keeping it upright. Actually, maybe you can see the air bubble come up here. No. Usually you can see the, oh, there we go. So you can see the bubbles there. The air escaping out. This is really the only tricky part in the whole thing, is trying to get it so there's only one air bubble left in the damper, which is kind of hard to see because you can't really see inside. Oh, there we go. So just continue to work it. You can see the air bubbles forming. Kinda. And maybe